How are animals alike and different? You can find all sorts of animals in a pond, from slippery bullfrogs to delicate dragonflies. Some of the animals look alike or similar. Others, such as the bullfrog and the dragonfly, look very different. Scientists group animals by how they are alike and how they are different. They study their body structures and how they have their young. This is a bullfrog and this is a dragonfly. One eye of the frog is larger than the head of the dragonfly. How else are these two alike and how else are they different? So, some of our vocabulary words are classifying. To classify is to place into groups based on the characteristics. Backbone is a string of separate bones that fit together to protect the main nerve cord in some animals. A cheetah has a backbone. Scientists classify crabs in small groups as spiders. Vertebrates is an animal with a backbone. A backbone helps vertebrates walk, run, fly, jump, or swim. Invertebrates is an animal without a backbone. A spiny lobster is an invertebrate. Grouping animals. Animals come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. How do scientists sort them? One way scientists classify or group animals is by their characteristics or features and behaviors. These crabs all have 10 legs and hard outer coverings. The iguana has 4 legs and a scaly skin. Classifying helps scientists better understand the animals. These iguanas and crabs live in the Galapagos Islands off the coast of South America. What characteristics do you observe? Characteristics can be that they are red, the iguana has scales, and so on. One characteristic that the scientists use to classify is whether or not the animal has a backbone. A backbone is a string of separate bones that fit together to protect the main nerve cord in some animals. The head and the other bones are connected to the backbone. It helps the animals move. These marine iguanas have a backbone. The salty lightfoot crabs do not. Animals with backbones are called vertebrates. The cheetah is one kind of vertebrate. Catfish, tree frogs, king snakes, gulls, and bats are vertebrates too. Even though each kind of animal is very different from the others, they all have backbones in about the same location as the cheetah. The backbone is part of the vertebrate's skull. The vertebrate is a backbone that bends back and forth as it runs. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. Some invertebrates, such as earthworms, have no skulls at all. Others, such as clams, grow a protective shell on the outside of their bodies. Still, others, such as lobsters and butterflies, grow a hard outer covering that is like an outside skeleton, but none of them have backbones. An invertebrate skeleton is on the outside of its body. It does not have a backbone.